So guys, good morning. I woke up and took bath, and now we are heading towards the Kala Bhairava temple, and from there we are going to the Bindu Madhava temple and some other one temple. I'll tell you the name once we go there, so you can have this scenery of the gully roads. And this connects to our main road. So we are in the Kala Bhairava temple after passing a lot of gullies. So this is the Kala Bhairava temple. So guys, now we have finished the Kala Bhairava temple darshan. Now we are going to the Bindu Madhava temple, and here you can meet the actual gullies of Varanasi.
बिंदुमाधा स्वामी संपूर्ण शालिग्राम विग्रह स्वयंभू शंख चक्र गदा पद्म महालक्ष्मी बिंदुमाधव लक्ष्मी नरसिंह शालिग्राम स्वामी काशी बिंदुमाधव प्रयाग वेणीमाधव रामेश्वरम सेतु माधव श्रीरंगम सुंदर माधव पीठिकापुरम दत्त क्षेत्र काकीनाडा कुंती माधव पंचमाधव क्षेत्र पंचमाधव प्रतिष्ठा नीचे में पंचगंगा गंगा यमुना सरस्वती किरणा धूत पापा गंगा यमुना सरस्वती आपका प्रयागराज से इधर काशी में आया किरणा धूत पापा नीचे मिला, इसीलिए इनको पंचनद तीर्थ पंचगंगा घाट के नाम से जानते हैं। वो इधर का स्थल पुराण काशी दर्शन यात्रा श्लोक विशेषम माधवम दंडिम दंडपाणिम च भैरवम वंदे काशी मोहन गंगा भवानी मंदकर्णिका संपूर्ण काशी यात्रा श्लोक वो इधर का स्थल।
Because now we are walking from a long time, we are not finding the main road. Oh, these gullies goes on. Finally, man. So now we are going to the Ganga Aarti. And the streets are looking beautiful, and yeah, so the ZTV people, for the news people, have come here to shoot something. Yeah, and of course the rush and the density of Varanasi, you can clearly see it over here.
Use first.
So now the Ganga Aarti, the beautiful Ganga Aarti is finished, and we have left the Shashwamedh Ghat. And while exploring the shops, I have just found this. Oh my god, this is heaven for me, guys. These are a Parker and limited edition Parker shop, and Parker is my dream, okay? So I love Parker pens, and oh my god, this is like heaven for me. Literally, there are so many pen collections. So these are not affordable by anybody. These are 1 lakh or 50,000 something. So I just took a limited edition Parker pen. I'll show you afterwards. It's, oh my god, just see this, guys. Okay, now something unimaginable happened. Nothing much, but this vlog turned into an unboxing and a pen review video. A vlog to a pen review video, unboxing also. So you will find out what I'm telling in the upcoming few clips. So enjoy. So guys, now we finally came to the room, and now it's time to unbox my limited edition Parker pen. So these are the box contents. The main pen, of course, and the extra cartridge. I mean, you can call it cartridge, yeah. Ink. So, time to unbox it. Just a second. Yes. So let's unbox it. Yes. Oh boy. Guys, I love Parker pens, okay? So people have the kind of thing that they have the mind of collection, right? So they collect stamps, and some people collect cassettes. So my collection are pens. I have more than 100 pens in my house, in our house, and yeah. So 5 of them are Parker, 6th one, this one is. So let's unbox this boy. Yes. See, I just unboxed this. Ah, God. Okay, I'm a noob. So first of all, you get the pen with a carrying case. I mean, a case. So this is a one. Yep. And you get, yeah, you get a keychain with it. Parker keychain. Yeah. A status symbol kind of thing. And next is this extra ink. I don't think I'll be opening this because it's not needed right now. So sorry, I can't open this. Sorry, boy. You will be opened after 3 to 4 months or 5 to 6 months. So bye bye. Okay, first let's see this keychain. Yes. Yeah. So it's steel, of course. Parker logo over here. Keychain's good. Next is the main pen. So this is the case of the pen. This is the case. And now time for the pen. Yes. First let me open the ink. I think I need to put it. Yeah. This is the ink, small one. It's a roller ball pen. Yeah, it's a roller ball pen. So you get this big kind of ink thing. And next is the main pen. I'm unable to open it as usual. Okay, let me try. Okay. Wait, let me open it. So finally I opened it. I took my mom's help and yeah. It's a complete stainless steel material. Of course it's Parker. And let's open this. Okay, the ink is still not put. So that's why this ink over here is there. Don't think that is extra. They don't put it. You need to put it on your own. So I think this faces. I've never used roller ball pen, so I'm not too sure about that. Okay, guys, so I was wrong. You should not open this. This is how you open. Yeah. So you can see the nib, I guess. Focus gimbal. Yeah. So this is the nib, and you need to put it like this and roll it over and put this thing, and the roller pen is ready. Full stainless steel material, really good quality. Let me hear you the sound. So yeah, it's stainless steel. So hope you enjoyed the Sasta unboxing. I hope it was good. This is my first ever unboxing. So yeah, thanks for watching the unboxing. I know I'm talking as if this is a whole different video, but I'm just gonna upload this on the same video. But thanks for watching the Sasta unboxing. So guys, let me unbox this extra pen too, cause anyways, in the pen case there is a slot over here. So what shall I keep in that? So I'm unboxing this thing too. I think this is easy to unbox. Just peel it off and take a scissor, hold, and just remove the back. Okay, so yeah, this is done. Remove. Yeah, so here it is, the extra pen. The extra refill. Yeah. Original Parker, yeah, of course. And I can just keep this. So after 6 to 7 months I may need this to refill. You'll get this everywhere, any pen market here at the house. So just keep it like this, keep the pen, and you're done. That's it. Just close this cap and you can use this keychain for anything you want. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I was just drinking coffee now and I got the news that our flight got cancelled. And now we are rebooking it. So the flight was actually at 28th. Yep. And now it's rebooked on 30th. So 2 days extra. I don't know what we are gonna do. Yeah. Visit the same places again. Visit Kashi Vishwanath daily. Go to Ganga Aarti daily. Go to Kala Bhairava. Go to Sarnath. Go to this and that every day. Yeah. That's all we can do now.